Welcome to Redneck Mayhem. Around you. Please do not try this at home.
Welcome to Appliance Mayhem. We have some highlighters here. So we're going to stick them in the microwave for you. Put it on 4 minutes. And here we go. Now what do you think it's going to do there?
I think it's going to make a...
Oh, there goes one.
I think it's going to make a heck of a mess. That's all I know.
There's one more.
There's one more in there.
Is the other one going to blow?
Seems like the $1,000,000 question right now. Oh, there it goes.
Alright. We're going to go over here and see what kind of mayhem it did. Right, we're going to walk over here. And my assistant's going to open up the microwave. We're going to see what kind of mess we've made here on Appliance Mayhem.
Oh.
And oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that at home. Just look at that devastation. Yeah.
Spider-Man. Just did something naughty in our microwave.
Spider-Man, I used to like you till you messed up the microwave. Well, that's it for Appliance Mayhem for this episode. This was highlighters in the microwave. We'll see you on another episode.